Want to know how to connect Salesflare with Facebook ads and leverage the power of both tools for seamless customer management and targeted marketing? Keep watching, because in this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to integrate Salesflare with Facebook ads, giving you better insights and more effective marketing strategies. Now, if you're new to Salesflare, it's a smart CRM designed to save you time by automating data entry and helping you manage your sales pipeline with ease. It integrates with various tools, including Facebook ads, allowing you to track your leads and customer data across platforms. And today, we're focusing on how to make that connection work for you. Before we dive into the setup, here's something you might want to hear. You can use Salesflare for free through the exclusive link in the description below. So if you're looking for a no-cost opportunity to test out this amazing CRM and maximize your Facebook ads, make sure to grab that deal. Let's get into it. First, you need to make sure that you have both a Salesflare account and a Facebook ads account. Once you're all set up, we'll focus on syncing the two. In Salesflare, go to your settings. There you'll find the integration section. Select Facebook ads from the list of available integrations. You'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account, so make sure you're connected to the ad account you want to use. Once logged in, Salesflare will guide you through the setup process, where you'll sync your Facebook ads campaigns with your CRM. This step is crucial because it allows you to track your ad performance directly from Salesflare and see how your campaigns are influencing your sales funnel. The real power comes when you map the Facebook ads data back to your Salesflare CRM. As leads come in from your ads, you can automatically create contacts in Salesflare and push them into your sales pipeline. This helps you see exactly where each lead is coming from and how effective your ads are at generating qualified prospects. It's a game changer for managing leads without doing manual data entry. You'll also want to connect your Facebook pixel, which is key for retargeting. This allows you to track customer actions on your website and send that data to Facebook ads, so you can run more tailored campaigns that reach the right people at the right time. So here's why this integration is so powerful. By connecting Salesflare with Facebook ads, you'll have a unified view of your leads and their interactions, making it easier to nurture them with targeted campaigns. You'll spend less time on admin tasks and more time driving sales. Now remember, you don't have to pay for Salesflare upfront. Thanks to the link in the description, you can access an extended free trial, giving you time to explore these features and see how they work for your business. If you're serious about scaling and getting more out of your Facebook ads, this integration is a must-try. Wrapping up, if you haven't already, go ahead and check the description for that exclusive free trial link. Salesflare's ability to connect with Facebook ads will save you time, improve your lead management, and boost your ad performance. If you're looking for a smarter way to handle your customer data, this is your answer. Don't miss out on the opportunity to get started today, and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments. Happy marketing!